saying something about the bathroom sink doing that the other day, too.
Was that you, Mom?
Probably good.
Probably.
So. Oh, that's it, baby. There you go.
Oh, my goodness.
There you go.
Oh, pretty.
She forgot to wash her hair. If you do more than like 3 minutes, it won't download it on Facebook.
I put them on YouTube
I do.
and share the link. Oh, my
pretty.
goodness.
Because then we don't have to go nowhere after this.